am HAIR TRIFECTA, RCRealness, back at it again with another what? YouTube video. So you guys, I love unboxing stuff. This is going to be an unboxing video. I bought some stuff to help me, help you, help me help you. If you guys haven't noticed already, your boy hairline's kind of going back, kind of disappearing, kind of non-existent. You know, it's like a whoop, a swoop. So you guys, I was scrolling through Amazon and I found a post or a company that focuses on people who are losing hair. But I mean, I don't think I have alopecia. I think I'm just using hair like genetics or something like that. But I was like,
let me try to fight. Let me try to see if it works.
So, you guys, I'm going to get into this product. It's in this bag right here. This is from the company Blaq Hair Solutions. It's called the HAIR TRIFECTA. Total price for this item plus shipping was $76.99. For this product, it was $69.99. So it wasn't that bad. Because my hair's going to grow back anyway. And, you know, if it comes back, when my hair comes back, this will be worth it. Okay? So, we're going to get into this package. So, as you can see, this is what it looks like inside the package. It has little packing peanuts, you know. And now it comes with, this is what the HAIR TRIFECTA looks like. This is what comes in the package. So, what I ordered was the HAIR TRIFECTA was this, and this. This is a soap to help you remove dandruff. This is a Mega Growth Hair Serum. This is a growth balm you spread in your hair. And it's supposed to help your hairline grow back. Because mine is gone, all right? Y'all, I really do hope this thing helps my hair because your boy's been losing his hair for a while now. So the first thing I pulled out the package was this Mega Grow Serum. This Mega Grow Serum. In this, it has... Let me get my glasses. Let me read what it says on the package. The Blaq Luxury Mega Grow Hair Serum is a scalp-nourishing blend of carrier and essential oils that improve overall hair quality by strengthening the hair follicles, reducing shedding and breakage while creating the ideal environment for hair to thrive. Yes! Thriving. Mega Grow Hair Serum. And basically, this is in the back. It just goes to the directions and whatnot, showing you how to use it properly. I'm not going to read all of this. If you want, you could just freeze it, and then I'll just move closer so you can read it. Focus. I mean, ooh, it's a struggle. But let's go on to the next item. So for my hair growth to come back, ooh, it scares. I mean, this is why y'all always on this end, so you can see on this end. Now, like, ooh, if y'all saw the top of my head, girl. This is the Growth Balm with Jamaican Castor Oil. Let me open the inside. Let me just... Ooh. Okay, it smells a little castor oily. It smells potent. But yeah, it's good. So next item. Wait. Let me just read this. Okay. This is what it says on the package. Feed your hair and scalp with our Jamaican Black Castor Oil Growth Balm. The naturally reflective properties of castor oil improves shine, luster, stimulate hair growth, and seals the hair cuticles for extra moisture. What? Retention! I need moisture retention, honestly, because my hair is dry as hell. I ain't gonna lie. So, let's go on to the third thing in this trifecta.
Cut this program for an important news announcement.
so excited because, you know, I really was trying different stuff to help my hair, and my hair was just really struggling. So this is my hair, and oh, I really did need this. This is the Scalp Detox Bar. It has nothing on it, but it's a Scalp Detox Bar, and they do send you some shower caps right here. So like, this is what it looks like. It really doesn't smell that bad at all. So yes, so this is the Hair Trifecta, you guys. And if you guys want to buy it, I'll give you my honest like update and review of what it does to my hair. Because honestly, my hair has been giving up in these recent years. And I started noticing it. I started going bald at the age of maybe like, let's say 17. So it like slowly made its way. Let me see if I can find a picture of my hair. Let me just take this picture off the wall. This is my, so like, okay. So you guys, like to show you how my hair is slowly going back, look at this picture from, like you see, even from my senior year of high school, my hairline was receding. So if this hair products can help my hair grow back, I'm gonna let y'all know. For many of you who don't know this, I'm very self-conscious about my hair and my teeth. My teeth, I've been trying to, you know, brush it out, you know, use charcoal toothpaste and use all the stuff to make it white. And with this is my encouragement for my hair to grow, or for me to do something about my hair to grow. Let me take my glasses off. Because like I always am, you know, give off the vibes. I'm always like, ooh, yes. You know, I'm always energetic and stuff like that. I'm very, very, very self-conscious about my hairline. And it's slowly legit going back over these times. Like you see it thinning even more. Like it's supposed to be up here. Like, what are you doing? It's supposed to go like that. But it's more like Blaq. Ah! But you guys, I am praying and hoping that this works. Because if this does not work, you know, I'm not gonna, you know, say if. God, please make this work so I won't have to spend money to get a hair transplant from the back of my head to the front to help this out. Because I do not want to go bald. And the only other option was either to get a hair transplant, try this, or just to shave my head bald and, you know. Ooh! I don't think I'm ready for that. I mean, honestly, it's not bad. I'm actually like, I always wear a lot of hats. I'm sorry. But let me focus. But yes, you guys. So what I'm going to do is I am going to be honest. And I'm going to take pictures throughout this whole entire journey. So you guys, if you guys want to see more updates on how my hair is doing. I mean, you can see like this patch is thinner. And it's more fuller in the back. And this little patch is. So you guys, like with my hair, if you can look closer, let me just move closer. This patch right here is a little bit thinner. It's a lot thinner. Like you can see the thinnerness than to my hair in the back. Like my hair in the front is thinning out. And so eventually this is all gonna be gone and I'm just gonna be like this. But I don't want that to happen. So that's why I'm taking the extra step to make sure that I try something. If you guys want to see my process of what goes on with my hair and how it turns out, let me know in the comment section down below. Hopefully you like this little unboxing video and my new intro and my new outro and my little look. Have you noticed? Of course. I'm talking about my page. You know, it's cute. It's all 80s retro. Ooh, yes. But you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that like button down below and show your support for your hair loss. So you guys, bye.